Here is a beginner-level production manager quiz that covers production line supervision, production capacity planning, and productivity and efficiency metrics improvement. Let's go. Question 1. What is a primary responsibility of a production line supervisor? A. Designing marketing campaigns. B. Ensuring smooth workflow and team performance on the floor. C. Managing customer feedback. And D. Handling accounting activities. Answer: ensuring smooth workflow and team performance on the floor. Question 2. Which of the following is essential for effective production line supervision? A. Clear communication and task assignment. B. Ignoring machine breakdowns. C. Hiring temporary staff every week. And D. Avoiding quality checks. Answer: clear communication and task assignment. Question 3. What tool is commonly used by supervisors to track production progress in real time? A. Whiteboard. B. Performance appraisal form. C. Daily production report sheet. And D. Marketing calendar. Answer: daily production report sheet. Question 4. Which factor has the greatest impact on smooth production line operation? A. Product packaging. B. Vendor negotiations. C. Customer reviews. And D. Team coordination and task flow. Answer: team coordination and task flow. Question 5. Which of the following best describes production capacity planning? A. Estimating advertising cost. B. Determining how much can be produced with available resources. C. Forecasting customer demand. And D. Outsourcing operations to reduce workload. Answer: determining how much can be produced with available resources. Question 6. Why is it important to assess production capacity regularly? A. To reduce employee working hours. B. To plan maintenance breaks. C. To avoid overloading resources and ensure on-time delivery. And D. To reduce energy bills. Answer: to avoid overloading resources and ensure on-time delivery. Question 7. Which of the following helps in increasing production capacity? A. Investing in automation or additional shifts. B. Using manual record keeping. C. Ignoring machine upgrades. And D. Reducing team size. Answer: investing in automation or additional shifts. Question 8. What is the output capacity of a production line typically based on? A. Employee satisfaction. B. Supplier rating. C. Advertising costs. And D. Equipment capability and labor availability. Answer: equipment capability and labor availability. Question 9. What does efficiency in production refer to? A. How fast the products are shipped. B. How many people are hired in the month. C. How well resources are used to generate output. And D. How many emails the supervisor answers. Answer: how well resources are used to generate output. Question 10. Which of these is a common productivity metric in manufacturing? A. Customer acquisition rate. B. Units produced per hour. C. Website traffic. and D. Advertisement click-through rate. Answer: units produced per hour. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is the formula for labour productivity? A. Output divided by labour input. B. Raw material divided by employee count. C. Sales divided by advertising budget. And D. Inventory divided by orders. Answer: output divided by labour input. Question 12. What is overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, used to measure? A. Machine design quality. B. Advertising reach. C. Performance, availability and quality of equipment. And D. Number of workers in the plant. Answer: performance, availability and quality of equipment. Question 13. Why is tracking productivity important? A. To monitor customer complaints. B. To identify delays and improve performance. C. To design packaging. And D. To schedule meetings with clients. Answer: to identify delays and improve performance. Question 14. Which of the following can decrease production efficiency? A. Equipment breakdowns and unclear workflows. B. Regular team training. C. Real-time monitoring tools. And D. Production dashboards. Answer: equipment breakdowns and unclear workflows. Question 15. How can supervisors improve line productivity? A. Ignoring operator feedback. B. Reducing line speed unnecessarily. C. Encouraging frequent breaks. And D. Rotating roles and ensuring team engagement. Answer: rotating roles and ensuring team engagement. Question 16. Which of the following is a preventive action for capacity overload? A. Waiting until breakdowns occur. B. Running lines beyond capacity. C. Forecasting demand and aligning resources. And D. Ignoring workforce availability. Answer: forecasting demand and aligning resources. Question 17. Which tool helps supervisors plan workforce and machine time allocation effectively? A. Holiday calendar. B. Shift roster and production schedule. C. Product launch roadmap. And D. Financial audit report. Answer: shift roster and production schedule. Question 18. What is one benefit of using standardized performance metrics? A. Confusing the team. B. Promoting inconsistency. C. Allowing data-driven decision-making. And D. Reducing transparency. Answer: allowing data-driven decision-making. Question 19. Which metric can help track wasted time in production? A. Downtime percentage. B. Energy cost. C. Customer ratings. And D. Headcount growth. Answer: downtime percentage. Question 20. Which of the following initiatives best supports long-term efficiency improvement? A. Implementing performance reviews only once a year. B. Encouraging process improvement suggestions from floor teams. C. Avoiding changes to current processes. And D. Reducing feedback channels. Answer: encouraging process improvement suggestions from floor teams. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.